Tired of cockroaches in your apartment? Sick of those unwelcome guests that seem to have taken permanent residence in your home? Well, there's a solution. Today we're exploring a 5-step process to eradicate cockroaches from your apartment unit. Step 1. Identify the problem. Cockroaches are nocturnal creatures, so if you're seeing them during the day, that's a clear sign of infestation. They love warm, dark, and damp areas. So keep an eye out for them in kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry areas. Moving on to step 2, cleanliness is key. Cockroaches thrive in dirty environments. They're scavengers and will eat just about anything. So, remove their food source. Keep the kitchen clean, don't leave food out, and take the trash out regularly. Step 3 involves sealing up their entry points. Cockroaches can enter your home through cracks and crevices, vents, sewer and drain pipes. So seal up those gaps with caulk or foam sealant. For step 4, use bait stations and insecticide sprays. Bait stations attract roaches, who then take the poison back to their nests. Insecticide sprays can kill on contact and also leave a residue that continues to kill for weeks. Finally, step 5. Seek professional help if needed. If the infestation is too large or if DIY methods aren't working, it might be time to call in the professionals. They have the knowledge and tools to handle larger infestations. So to recap, identify the infestation, keep your apartment clean, seal up entry points, use bait stations and sprays, and don't hesitate to seek professional help. Cockroaches can be a pesky problem, but with these steps, you're well on your way to a roach-free apartment. Before we end this video, remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button. Got questions or suggestions? Feel free to drop a comment below. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who might be fighting their own battle with cockroaches. Here's to a cockroach-free home. Catch you in the next video.